Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wonderful people. Welcome to Abunifu Kitchen. Today we're going to be transforming our chapati into egg quesadillas. You can use a roti or tortilla if that's what you have, but for this video we will be using chapati, and I'll make the quesadillas both for boiled eggs and beaten eggs. So first things first, we prepare our vegetables. For the boiled eggs part, we heat up our pot, add our butter, then place our onions, tomatoes, bell peppers, and any other vegetables of choice. Then add spices. You can use oregano, cumin, paprika, or black pepper, and any other spice that you like, and some salt to taste. Then let that cook for just a few seconds until the vegetables are soft. Put them aside and place another pan on the fire and let that heat, and add your butter, and then place your chapati and start layering. So we start layering with cheese, but if you do not like cheese or you do not eat cheese, that's okay. You can skip this part and start with the veggies instead. Then diced boiled eggs, and then you layer the top with cheese. Fold your chapati and let cook on one side, then flip it and allow it to cook on the other side for just a few seconds, not too long, then serve. The other way you could do this is by using beaten eggs. So heat up our pan, add our butter, then place our chapati and start layering. So we spread our beaten eggs, then add cheese. If you do not eat cheese, you can skip that and use your vegetables. I used onions, tomatoes, and bell peppers. You can add any other vegetables of choice, and then some more cheese on top if you like cheese. You can also add some spices, oregano, cumin, paprika, black pepper, or any other of choice, and some salt to taste. Then fold that and allow it to cook on one end. Give it some more time because you want your egg to cook properly. So give it like 5 minutes on one end, then flip that and allow the other side to cook for a few more minutes, and then serve. This is a very simple way to transform your chapati into something exciting, and I hope you enjoy making this. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and feel free again to play around with it, add what you like, remove what you don't, and I hope you will let me know how this goes for you. And until next time, kwaheri.